Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa to travel to Vietnam on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Vietnam e-visa website. Okay, here you're going to tap on apply now, declaration. Okay, read everything very carefully. Okay, and once you are okay, then click on next. So again, 3 steps it is. Okay, so it is like you need to fill the app, review the application, and then you need to pay. Okay, so here you have to upload your photo, then you have to upload your passport picture, and then you have to fill up. Okay, so I'm gonna put the sample information, but you do it as per your case, and anything you put, verify at least 2 times. Okay, if you have just surname or given name, enter given name in the field. For example, if you just have surname and no given name, still enter that under given name, because as you can see, middle and given name are mandatory. Okay, so I'm going to put some sample. Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you sample information. So after name, you have to enter your date of birth. All the information that you see is sample, nothing is real. Gender, nationality, email, religion, place of birth, email again, any other passport. If you have used multiple nationality, provide that. Relationship, violation of any Vietnamese laws, regulation. How many entries you want, from when to when you want. Okay, passport details. If you have any other passport, valid passport, provide details of that too. Your contact information including address, your emergency contact information including phone number, relationship, occupation details including your employer's details, and trip. What is the purpose of your trip? Date and days will be calculated by the system based on what you have entered above. Phone number in Vietnam if you have, address. So if you have already booked your hotel reservation, you definitely have that, provide that. Your entry and exit port. So if you have booked flight tickets, definitely you have that, right? Then children information if applicable, trip expense, how much you're gonna bring, who's gonna pay, and how you're gonna pay. And then tap on next. So next we are just gonna review the information. If any changes are required, we can do the changes right away. And next is gonna pay. So of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.